Everything that had happened last night was coming back to him. He couldn't believe that he had actually confessed to Minsu. He hit his head just thinking about how stupid he was for doing that. He hoped Minsu didn't remember anything, and if she did, he was prepared to lie to her and say he was joking and that it was probably the alcohol talking. As he sat there deep in thought, Sunjin walked in. He could tell he was not in a good mood. Sunjin sat down and asked Wuben if he was free to talk. Wuben nodded and asked if he was okay. He further apologized for being irresponsible by letting Yuna and Minsu drink that much. Sunjin looked at him as he explained. After he was done talking, Sunjin asked one simple question. Looking him straight in the eyes, he asked if he was in love with Minsu. Wuben froze. He didn't expect Sunjin to ask him such a question and didn't know what to say. Sunjin, realizing Wuben's answer from his silence, proceeded to ask how long he had been in love with Minsu and what he had expected Minsu to do last night after confessing to her. Wuben broke the silence and told Sunjin that he hadn't expected it to happen and that he was doing his best to stay away and not listen to his feelings. Sunjin was hurt to hear this. He told him that confessing his feelings to his woman was a betrayal and that he should have known which lines not to cross. Wuben, realizing his mistake, tried to explain that it was the alcohol talking and that he would have never done that if he were sober. Sunjin looked at him again and told him that he was going to ask him one final question and that he should be honest. He asked Wuben what he would have done if Minsu had confessed back that she liked him too. Wuben went silent. He didn't want to answer that question because he knew it would hurt his friend. Sunjin, hurt, stood up from his seat. Facing Wuben, he told him to pay Minsu all her salary and informed him that she was resigning and that he should stay away from both of them. He said this as he walked out. Wuben sat there, his heart breaking. He didn't mean to fall for his friend's woman, and more importantly, go behind Sunjin's back and confess his feelings.